At Astana, we strive to deliver the best in-flight experience. This short clip will give you a brief insight into our innovative and energetic Inflight Services department and how we go about delivering on our mission of excellence on a day-to-day basis.
My job is very interesting, excited and creative.
I love my job. I'm really happy to be part of Inflight product. Every day there's something new. It's really creative and it's never boring.
(2015-2016) is a really fun time to be a part of the Astana team. Our continuing aim in the catering department is to better reflect Kazakhstan in our onboard product, and we really look forward to introducing more of our guests to Kazakh cuisine in the future.
At Astana, we constantly invest in the best aircraft, products and service. In August of this year, we became the first airline in the region to equip our crew with electronic tablets. We created an application that delivers a unique, personalised experience with the necessary information for our cabin crew to better serve the needs of our customers.